હલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, કેમ છો? મજામાં? રેગ્યુલર મેથ્સ કરો છો? તમે તો હા જ પાડો ને, શું કામ ના પાડો? વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, રેગ્યુલર તમારું વર્ક મેથ્સ કરતા રહેજો, કારણ કે જર્ની ખૂબ લાંબી છે. કંટાળી જશો. ઘણા દિવસનું વેકેશન પણ મળી ગયું છે, પણ જે પરિસ્થિતિ છે તેમાં તમારે ભણવું તો પડશે જ. ઓકે ચિલ્ડ્રન, સો let us begin our exercise 5.1, question number 4 children. So children, here question is, which of the following are APs? Here a list of numbers given. You have to decide whether it is AP or not. If yes, then write 3 more terms. Children, first you observe it. You can say that it is not AP. 2, 4, double, 2 ના ડબલ 4, 4 ના ડબલ 8, 8 ના ડબલ 16, આવું એપીમાં ન હોય. ચલો મેથડ સમજી લઈએ. આને A1 કહેવાય, આ A2 કહેવાય, આ A3 કહેવાય, A4 કહેવાય. ચલો મેથડ ખબર છે. A2 માઇનસ A1 એટલે કે 4 માઇનસ 2 ઇક્વલ ટુ 2, અને A3 માઇનસ A2 8 માઇનસ 4 4. તો આ બંનેમાંથી શું મળ્યું આપણને કે A3 માઇનસ A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, the list of numbers is not AP. Okay children, this is not AP. Now children, another one in this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now children, A2 minus A1, find out 5 by 2 minus 2. How to do? This to multiply here. So 5 minus 4 upon 2, 1 by 2. Take A3 minus A1. આમાંથી આ સબટ્રેક્ટ કર્યું, હવે આમાંથી આ સબટ્રેક્ટ કરશું. 3 minus 5 by 2. Take LCM 2 here. So it is 6 minus 5 by 2. It is 1 by 2 children. Now children, A4 minus A3. So it is 7 by 2 minus 3. So it is 7 minus 6 upon 2, 1 by 2. Now children, here everywhere you can see that here is 1 upon 2, here is 1 upon 2, here is 1 upon 2. Meaning is what? A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 children. Here A2, sorry. These are equal. It is true for AK plus 1 minus AK. ચલો AK plus 1 AK શું છે? તો કે અહીંયા જે નંબર હોય એના કરતાં આ નંબર એક ઓછો હોય. તો અહીંયા K લખ્યું તો આ નંબર કયો હોય? K plus 1 હોય. અહીંયા 3 હોય તો આ 4 છે. અહીંયા 2 છે તો આ 3 છે. અહીંયા હું K લખું તો અહીંયા કયો નંબર લખવો પડે? AK plus 1. તો હવે આ જે આખી નંબર લિસ્ટ ઓફ નંબર્સ જે છે એની અંદર આ વસ્તુ પણ કરેક્ટ છે. Therefore, the list of number is an AP. Okay, and it is asked that what is D? Question is asked, and D is 1 by 2 children. This is D. Okay, this here you can write that this is D1, this is D2, D3. Now third one. Now children, it is asked that find out 3 more terms. A5, up to A4 it is given. Okay, so 5 terms are A4 plus D. How to find 5th term? A4 term plus D karo. This is our A4 term. So A4 term, see children, this is A4 term 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus half, it is 8 by 2, upon 4. Then A4. A6 find out. A5 plus D. What is A5? A5 we found 4. So 4 plus half, 9 by 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Then A7. A6 plus D. What is A6? A6 is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 5. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 upon 2. So it is 5. So children, remaining 3 terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Okay. Now children, third sum. This is question. A1 is minus 1.2. A2 minus 3.2. A3 minus 5 by 2. A4 minus 7 by 2. Now find out A2 minus A1. So this minus this. Now children, minus plus here. Okay, and this subtraction is minus 2. A3 minus A2. Okay, that is minus 2. A4 minus A3, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 plus 5.2. This will be also minus 2. Now children, what will you write? Here, these three are equal. So you will write this thing. Now A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 equal to minus 2. It is true for AK plus 1 minus AK everywhere. Therefore, the given list of numbers form an AP. 3 more terms we have to find. A5, A6, A7. So A4 plus D, A5 plus D, A6 plus D. What is A4? Minus 7.2. It is here. Okay. This we have written here. We have to add D. This is D, children. This we are finding. So this is D. Okay. So D we are adding everywhere. So minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2, children. Clear this sum? Now children, fourth sum, hint I am giving you. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. So first you find out minus 10 minus 6. What are you getting? Minus 10 plus 6 plus 4 you are getting. Then do this way. Minus 2 minus sign minus 6. So minus 2 plus 6. You are getting plus 4. And finally this you check. 2 minus sign minus 2. It is 2 plus 2, 4. So everywhere you are getting 4, 4, 4. Meaning is what? D you are getting equal. So it is true for AK plus 1 minus AK. Now 3 more terms you have to find out, children, that you can find out here. Here 2 you are getting. What you are adding? So this term, next term will be 6, 10, 14. Okay, 6, 10, 14. 3 are the more terms. Calculation you can do it, children. Children, 90% problems I have solved. Only few steps you have to write. Question number 5. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 3. Children, ઘણીવાર root 2 રૂટ સાઇન જોઈને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ગભરાઈ જાય છે. હવે શું થશે? બહુ સહેલા સમ હોય છે. ચલો ધ્યાન આપો. હિયર ઇટ ઇઝ a2 minus a1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So 3 cancel. Root 2 left. a3 minus a2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2, 2 root 2 minus root 2, root 2 left. Similarly here, a4 is 3 root 2 minus sign 3 minus 2 root 2, children. આ જે છે તે તમારું a4 છે, આ a3 છે, તો માઇનસ a3 છે, તો આ જે પ્લસ સાઇન છે તે અહીંયા માઇનસ થઈ જશે. ઓકે, અને 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 times root 2 માંથી 2 times root 2 subtract કરો એટલે 1 root 2 વધે. Okay, so D will be what? D is root 2, children. Okay, it is true for everywhere. That is AK plus 1 minus AK is same everywhere. Now find out A5, A6, A7, children. Okay, A5 is A4 plus D. This is A4 plus D. This part is A4 plus D. root 2 one time, 3 times root 2, at least 4 times root 2, this 3 as it is. Similarly here and here. Okay. Question number 6 and 7, children, very easy. So try at home yourself. Now children, question number 8. Children, question 8 is very easy. Here you can see that minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2. Obviously this is an AP, but steps we have to write. Let us understand. First step, A2 minus A1 minus half, minus sign, minus half, minus minus plus equal to 0. A2 minus A1 you can understand very well. So similarly same steps you have to write for A3 minus A3 minus A1, A2, A4 minus A3, children. Here 0, 0. Meaning is what? AK plus 1 minus AK is true for everywhere, and it forms an AP, and D is equal to 0, not half, children. It is 0. Okay. Now children, we have to find out 3 more terms. A5 is A4 plus D minus half plus 0. A4 is minus half 0, minus half. A6 A5 plus D minus half 0, minus half. A7 A6 minus half plus 0, minus half. Okay. Question number 9, homework. Question 10, A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Next step, A2 minus A1. A2, this is 2A, is A2 minus A, 2A minus A equal to A. A3 minus A2, what is A3? 3A. What is A2? It is 2A. A. A4 minus A3, this is A4. A3 is what? 3A. 4A minus 3A, it is A. Now children, see. Here AK plus 1, AK is true for every term. Okay, it is true. Now up to A4 not. True for every term. Therefore it is an AP, and D is equal to A. Now find out 3 more terms. A5 find out. It is what? A4 plus D. D is what? A. What is A4? A4 is 4A. So 4A plus A, 5A. A6, here you can write out. It is 6A. A7, it is 7A. So these are the 3 terms. So here it ends your answer, children. Okay. Question 11, children, homework. See children, easily you can say that it will not form AP. See, A square minus A, here A cube minus A square. Here A raised to 4 minus A cube. So D you will not get. See. Here you see children, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Earlier I told that square root sign comes. Don't afraid. Chalo. A3 minus A2 minus A1. Root 8 minus root 2. Children, root 8 is nothing but 4 into 2. This number you write or find should be perfect square. It must be perfect square. Then root 4 it becomes 2 when this 4 comes out. So here 2 root 2. So here this is 2 root 2, children. Okay. Then minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. It is root 2, children. Okay. Next one. A3 minus A2. Root 18, it is 9 into 2. And this root 8, it is 4 into 2. This 9 comes out, so it is 3. This 4 comes out, it is 2. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it is root 2. Next one, A4, root 32, it is 16 into 2. Children, I told that this number must be perfect square number. This 16, this 9, this 4. Okay. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 4 minus 3, 1. So it is root 2. Now write down, children. It is true for AK plus 1 minus AK everywhere. Okay, and d equal to root 2. So now next step. Now see children, it forms an AP and d equal to root 2. A5 equal to A4 plus d. A4 is what? 4 root 2 plus root 2, 5. Children, here you write from question part, root 32 you write. Then somehow you will not get answer. So children, this is A4. Don't write here 32. Otherwise you will not get idea. A1, A2, A3, A4. So A4, so 4 root 2 you write. Then this plus addition 5 root 2. Now children, here A6 you write 5 root 2. This 5 root 2, don't write root 50, plus root 2. It is 6 root 2. Then 6 goes inside, 36 into 2. It is root 72. And similarly, A7, so 6 root 2 plus root 2. So it is 7 root 2. Inside it will go, it is 49 into 2. Okay. Then it would be 98. Clear? So these are the A5, A6, A7. Question 13. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. A2 minus 7. Children, sometimes root 9, don't write down here 3. Answer is right 3, but it will not give any idea. So follow stepwise. A2 minus A1, root 6 minus root 3. Now this 6 split 3 into 2, this root 3 as it is. Now from this 2, find out or take root 3 outside common. Okay, so we get here root 3 out, inside root 2 minus 1. Now A3 minus A2, root 9, this is A3, A2. Root 9 minus root 9 is what? 3 into 3 minus sign root 3 into 2. This 3, this is root 3, this is root 3 taken out. Left part is this 3, that is root 3, and this 2. So it is minus root 2. Okay children? So children, this is not any design work. Here dash, 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 meaning something common. This is zigzag line, that is inside. That is to be understood. And now next one, A4 minus A3, root 12 minus root 9. Now 12 split 3 into 4. ચલો 6 2 પણ થાય એ પણ અહીંયા કામમાં નહીં આવે. અહીંયા આપણને 3 માં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે એટલે 3 4 લીધું. બરાબર? So and here 3 into 3. So root 3 out. This 3. This 3. So that is here. And this 4. This 3. It is here children. Okay. Now children, obviously you can see that outside root 3 common. But this and this, all three are different. Therefore, our answer is it will not form an AP because A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Clear? Next sum. Question is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. A2 minus A1, 3 square minus 1 square. This is A2, this is A1. So 3 square is 9 minus 1, 8. A2, A3 minus A2. Children, this is A1, A2, A3. 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 9, 16. Now children, obviously you can see that it is not an AP, but still we write one more step. A4 minus A3. In that we are getting 24. So A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So it will not form an AP. Okay, very easy children. Next sum. Question number 4. In that 15th sum, this is a list of numbers. A2 minus A1 is equal to what? This is A1, A2, A3, A4. 5 square minus 1 square. 25 minus 1, 24. Next one, a3 minus a2, 7 square minus 5 square, 7 square is 49 minus 25, 24. And further, a4 minus a3, a4 is what? 73 minus 7 square is 49, 24. So children, it is true for ak plus 1 minus ak everywhere, and therefore it forms an AP, and D equal to 24 children. This is D, D and D. Okay, now we have to find remaining three terms children. A5, A6, A5, A4 plus 24, 73 plus 24, 97, A6, A5 plus 24, 97 plus 24, 125, A6 plus D, 121 plus 24, 145 children. Okay. Now children, note down homework. Question heading same. This based on question number 4 children. Okay. Question 4 of exercise 5.1 children. Okay. So note down this question written. Pause the video and write down. Children, here I have given you very simple questions. Orally you can find out answers, but do paper pencil work. Okay children, now write down homework. Now children, here answer list, write down answers. Okay. Okay children, bye. We will meet you in next video session. Thank you students.